Welcome children. Kindly open your school app and log in with your username and password. Now whenever you are attempting a particular quiz, you have to go through your Learn tab. So before we start with the Learn tab, there are few precautions that I would like to tell you. That whenever you sit for attempting a quiz, kindly make sure you are sitting in an area where there is proper network coverage area. You don't move from there. You sit in that a particular area where there's a good network there. And even in case if you do lose network, kindly do not close the app. Just let it run at the like this. It will always be running at the back side even if you come out of it, but do not close the app. That is my first request to you. Okay, so I'm just going in my course. I'm opening my quiz. Now I'm attempting my questions. So for choose file, choose your file, whichever image or file you want. You can choose your images, you can choose documents. So you have to remember to click on choose file. You can click the pictures and keep of all the photos you have uploaded earlier. You can type. Now let's say while typing or even at the end you lose network, or you're not able to access the system. So remember that you can go back like this. If you go back like this and you come back again to the course, it's not a problem. But in case if you do click on the back tab over here, then you have to do the paper all over again. So make sure you do not click on that tab. Even if you do lose network, you're not able to upload, or you're not able to upload or anything, you want to check the network, you just come back like this and you can check your network and again click on your app, and or just do like this and go back to your app. Okay, and you can do that. And you have to also, again, one more thing, whenever you are uploading a file, if you are able to see your file name over here, then that file has been uploaded. By mistake, if you feel you have uploaded a wrong file, you can click on this trash button and you can again choose a file and upload. When you are able to see the name of your file over here, that means that file has been successfully uploaded. Also, at the end of the table, you have to remember that if your paper is for 3 hours or 2 hours, according to your school, if your paper is for 3 hours, so before your time expires, before this time expires, like if there are last 1 minute or so remaining, remember to click on the submit button. If you do not click on the submit button, whatever you have solved till then won't reach your teacher. So you have to click on the submit button, and it is mandatory to click on the submit button before the timer expires, so that you will be whatever you have filled till then will be submitted successfully. So you have to remember that. Okay, if you do not submit, if you write all of your paper and you do not submit, then your attempt won't reach your teachers. Like discussed in your parents sessions, a few of the parents had said that they were not able to they were automatically coming out of the app, or any certain issue like this occurs. What you can do is you can do a web login. If you're not comfortable with the app, you can do a web login. So in this video I'm also going to show you how you can do a web login. So for doing a web login, go to your browser. Okay, and type in the name of your portal. Now let's say if it is SVIS latur.prisms.in. Okay, you can type in your school's portal name, then type in your username and password. Okay, type in your username and password, and you can do also remember me, so that where you will be able to log into that account. You won't have to sign in again and again and log in. So you can just enter your username and password and you can log in, and then you can go from the learn tab and you'll be able to access your courses again, or you can click on open in a new tab. and you can open that in a new tab and keep. But even if you do a login from your web, even if you do a web login, you have to remember one thing very clearly, that please do not exit it, do not close the tab, let it be open, let these tabs be open even if you do lose network. Okay, so if you do not close those tabs, if you even come back after attempting a paper, your progress remains as it is, it doesn't go away. If you close the tab, if you exit your app, or even if you exit your web browser, exit, that means coming out of it. Like right now I've not exited it, I've just sent it back, so whatever I have answered or uploaded is still there. So in case if you do, like I said, you do lose network, or you have already written the complete paper and you lose network for the last 10 minutes, you have to remember that please do not exit the app, do not click go back. Okay, you can just go put that like this, like you usually do exit something like this, you can do this. But if you exit the app or if you exit the browser, then you won't be able to again, you have to start again. That's why even if your network goes away, you can come back over here, you can check your network and you can do everything else, and then come back to your quiz. But you can simply click on this, you can come back to your quiz, but do not exit that quiz. If you exit it, then whatever right now is uploaded goes away. So now let's say if I exit this like this, if I come back to the learn tab, I again go to the learn tab and again go to my course and again open my course. So now I won't be able to see whatever I had uploaded. So if this happens in the last 5 to 10 minutes of your exams, it can be problematic. So like I have said, please do not exit the app. You can simply keep this like this, send it to the back and check your network connection and again come back over here. So your timer is running still, and even if you do lose network, any of your whatever you have given is doesn't go away, it stays. Okay, so that's all the precautions I had to show. And also the web login, like I had shown over here, you can just log in with your ID and password. For example, I'll log out again, go I'll go again from the big link, type svislatur.prisms.in for your school portal, then enter your username and password which you usually have. Now for example, I'll enter one. Okay, and I'll enter my password. By default the password is 123 pass until and unless you have reset it. Okay, and I'll click on login. And same way like I usually do, just zoom out, click on the learn tab, and you can click on open in a new tab, and in new tab you'll be able to see all your courses and you'll be able to do it. In case if you're not comfortable with the app, this can also be an other alternative. So children, please keep in mind all the precautions that I have said. Kindly sit in an area where there's a good network coverage. Even if your network coverage goes out, make sure you do not exit the app or the web. You can just send it to back and you can check it out, but do not exit the app. If you exit the app by clicking on this tab, all of your progress will go away. So make sure you do not do that, or you do not click on the back button. You simply come out of the you click on the middle tab in your phones and you just come out of it and you can again go back into it. But make sure you please do not click on the learn tab back button. If you go back out of it, if you exit the app or your browser, your progress might be gone, so that might cause a problem. So thank you, and please do keep all the precautions in mind.